mountains, dizzying heights, fearless flying, and a fun-to-drive SUV. Is there a better recipe for a badass adventure? Well, not really. With that in mind, we ventured out to Himachal Pradesh for a long weekend drive. Our plan was simple: head to Biling Valley, the paragliding capital of India, and take off from there for the adrenaline rush of a lifetime. The obvious choice of car for this adventure is the Kia Seltos. You see, the Seltos has been soaring to dizzying heights ever since it hit the market in 2019. And it's without a doubt the symbol of badassery in its segment. So it's only fair to choose this badass SUV for this badass adventure. The Seltos, with its impeccable ride and handling balance, feature-loaded cabin with its UVO connected car tech and incredible Bose sound system, not to mention superb overall refinement, makes it the perfect SUV for road trips. Bir is at a distance of around 560 kilometers from Delhi, and it takes about 12 hours to get there. A long drive for sure, but no sweat if you've got an SUV as comfortable and fun to drive as the Seltos. On reaching Bir, we headed to Biling, which is where all the paragliding action takes off. Literally. Whether you're a seasoned jumper or a newbie, running off the edge of an 8,000-foot high cliff against the wind with full faith and conviction takes a lot of courage. However, the moment you fly, the surrealness of the experience hits you as realistically as you feel the wind in your face. There's fear, no doubt, but the thrill is so intense that you don't feel anything else. And if you think about it, the Kia Seltos is not all that different. It confidently faced the adversity of the market and went against the headwinds of a slowdown. And in the end, it came out on the other side triumphant. And it did all that not with restraint, but with the gusto of an absolute badass, which it is.